What's up, guys? I'm back today. Finally gonna install my quick release on the Rsx. I'm gonna get some help where I got a buddy, so I'm on my way to do that. It's gonna be. I'm happy because I've had that steering wheel for like forever. About to be a year and just haven't installed it, but yeah, let's go see. On the day I decided to wear a sweater, it's freaking hot outside. I thought it was gonna be cold. This whole weather is just weird. So finally installing. Well, Victor is. Got the last piece, was missing because I had already made an intro, but since we didn't do it the other day.
I've done 2, 3, I've done 4 Rsx with 5 with this one.
Man. How many Rsx have you owned?
I've had 3 good ones and that one that was wrecked. But I've had 2 gray ones and then the orange one.
The one that
Double A hat.
Yeah. It, one piece is off now, just hoping Lowe's goes well now, man. They just gave everybody a raise.
Heck yeah!
$30 raise.
Daily?
Oh.
You didn't tell me that.
Oh. I mean, they gave.
You just screwed up, bro. Nah, you're just trying to show off, Taylor.
Yeah, they did.
So now you're making more than me?
Nah, that's only like for day shift they give them raise. Each shift gave a certain amount of raise.
What'd you get?
Like $1.60.
So now we make the same?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, we make the same ish.
Are you lying to me?
No, I'm not lying.
You just step your foot in your mouth.
I know when you're lying.
Okay, yeah.
Well, you did say when you get your bags, I get my bag.
Well, I'm getting my bags first.
Yeah,
You got plenty of bags.
We said at the same time.
Well.
You went on a Walmart.
Oh no.
No, that's not the bag I want.
Okay, what is this the brand?
Okay.
She's like, okay, it ain't none of your business. Shut up. You don't have to learn to ignore me.
No.
I think that if for some reason this is crooked or something, we'll probably just have to, whenever you ride down the road, is your steering wheel pretty straight with your tires?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you should be pretty good. Because sometimes when you do, you'll be riding like that and you'll be straight.
Right.
Where's your keys? I just left this thing.
Oh, shout out to Victor for the steering wheel though. After almost a year, it's finally on.
If you ever need to take the steering wheel out, flip this button to take them out. Aquí tiene un tornillo y aquí otro. Con una navaja le picas así lo sacas. So you won't break no clips.
You hear that, guys? So here it is, finally on, quick release. I'm like really happy. It's been like almost a year since I've had it and just not now putting it on. Shout out to Victor, VIP, and yeah, we didn't really do like a whole step by step, just bolts on, bolts off, sensors, connectors off, on, and just got no horn, but it's all good. So yeah, we didn't really show you how, but got it on, it's all good. Time to eat now. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You know, once again, shout out to Victor. If you have not already seen, there's a film I've made a while back of his hatch. I'll put it up here or up there, or you know, somewhere around. We are going to make a. I already talked to him. We're going to make another film of his car. You know, it's gonna be better. You know, I could always do better. You can always do better. You know, but yeah, stay tuned for more info on video. Follow me on Snapchat. You know, I'll post it down there or up here. I don't know. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, deuces.